Hello and welcome to my video about congruence in regular polygons. So congruence basically means that they're the same shape but moved around in some way. So congruence means that it's the same. Same. Okay, so congruence means that it's the same shape, just moved around. So that could mean, probably one of the best examples of congruence is when you have something like this, and it's just, now my drawing isn't perfect, but it's just a reflection. So if you look down the line, each point matches up to the other point. So this one with this one with this one, and these two in here, right? Each point lines up with the other one. The things to look for are that the sides are equal in both shapes. So like from green to blue is the same length as from green to blue on the other side, and from green to yellow is the same as green to yellow on the other side. So sides are equal, all sides are equal, and all angles are equal. So both of these things have to be true, and then you can say if they're both true, then they are congruent shapes, or in this case congruent triangles. So just thinking a little bit logically here, thinking a little bit ahead, if you have two regular polygons, so for example if I have a square and I have another square, let's make it different though. Are those going to be congruent? Assuming I drew it right. Well, yes, they are going to be congruent. So in this case, we did a mirror, and in this case, we did a little bit of a spin. So here, we did a flip. Let's write it underneath here. Flip. And here we did a spin. And both of those are okay to make things congruent. If we continue down, if we think about, let's try a different one here. Let's try a triangle like this, and we try a triangle like this over here. Well, they're the same, so they are congruent. So I'll write congruent. But, congruent. So they are congruent. They were just moved. So this is just a moved version. So we have spin, we have flip, and we have movement. Movement becomes more important and more obvious once you have a grid. Once you use like a graph grid paper. All right. So these are the proper mathematical words for that. So if we have movement, it's translation. If we have spin, it's rotation. If we have flips, it's called reflection. So those are just the mathematical words that are going to be showing up for the next couple of years into junior high and into high school. So these are all okay transformations, which we're going to talk about in a later unit, in order to keep a shape congruent. I hope this video helps, and good luck.